No, ma'am, I'm not. Well,
I hate what you stand for. You're
fine.
not here for the people who didn't do nothing. You little...
Ma'am.
I don't know, I just remember his door was open and I just remember going past, like, scraping the door. That's all I remember.
Okay.
And I have a doctor. I don't need a hospital. I need to go home.
For my account to cash a check, and I have all of my identification, and I don't get it. Like,
so
I don't get it.
We're not.
You could be in so much trouble if I had money because you arrested me and put me in a hot vehicle.
Where are you at? I need help. Please, there's literally an officer. Please.
Get out.
Oh my God, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Give me the phone.
That it's understood my rights has been trampled on. I have a right to say where I do and do not want to be treated.
Today we are going to unravel 7 intense situations where women argue with police officers, ending in arrests and felony charges.
I have a little situation.
Sure.
Sorry, I got my supervisor on the phone. That person right there with the
black coat.
The wig.
With the wig on. Just confirmed that that's not the person they're pretending to be because they're from Richmond. And I just called the son and he's like, no, my mom's at work. And the notes on the account show that their person ID was stolen. And they're trying to cash a check for $4,200. There's not even close to that amount in there. And the signature does.
Yes, I'm sorry. You had me all discombobulated. I'm talking to my friend Denise on the phone.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have any other forms of identification?
She has it right there. That's all I have. I have everything that you need. I don't get it.
So she has your driver's license?
Yeah, she has it right there.
Okay. What's your date of birth?
It's.
It's just a question about your identification, okay?
I know that you are, and I understand that.
I think you understand why I'm here.
67. I do now, and I don't get it though. Because
okay, so let me just start from the beginning. So what's your last name?
I just told you.
Can you spell it for me?
Yeah, C-A. I mean, T-O-N, I just told you.
And your first name?
It's Deborah.
And your middle name?
What do you need my middle name for? I gave you everything. It's Lynn.
Okay, so you having to check your phone for all that?
No, I don't. I'm just having to I'm asking, I don't understand where this is coming from.
So,
I come in here for my account to cash a check, and I have all of my identification, and I don't get it.
So we're not 100% sure that you're who you're claiming.
Well, I know. Okay? I mean, obviously now. I mean, shoot, I've been trying to get all of this stuff together for this. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, I don't get it.
How are you?
Okay.
Because I feel like, this is craziness.
Okay. Well, so you understand that you can't be lying about your information.
I mean, I
especially to a
know.
police
I know
officer,
that.
'cause
I just don't know what
that's a
I don't know what you guys
offense.
want me to.
I just want you to tell the truth as far as who you actually are.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Because we understand what's going on.
I mean.
Okay? You do too.
I mean, okay, it is what it is. I mean, yeah.
So what's your actual name?
My name is Stephanie.
Stephanie?
And I was asked to, so I did, because I need money, and I didn't realize it was like this, so.
Okay.
It is what it is. I don't know what else to say.
Do you have your actual ID?
I do have my actual ID. This is crazy.
Notice how quickly the situation escalated from an argument to a child abuse arrest. The officer is likely using the term broadly here as an umbrella charge to get control, and the specifics will be ironed out later by the prosecutor.
End of the month. You know what I mean? My kids are my everything, and I do everything for my kids. I needed money.
Are you willing to talk to one of our detectives?
I sure will. If I'm not going to, because I'm not going to go to jail for this, at all. It wasn't anything illegal from what they told me. You know what I'm saying? And then when I got in the vehicle.
You seem pretty reasonable. Did you think that putting on a wig, using an ID that's not you,
No.
cashing a check
no,
that belongs to someone else?
No. That's
is
what
okay?
I'm saying. Once, all of this.
I'm just telling you, like, what you did here. Did you think that was illegal?
Yes, yeah.
Okay.
I did. But again, it was like crunch time, like, you know what I mean? Like, I just got out of court this morning about that. I tried to talk to my landlord, see and she was like, I'm sorry, but you have to go. 5 days with no people, not having family here or anything like that. Like, my landlord just has it out against me for some reason. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not behind on, like, my housing isn't, my payments aren't behind or anything like that. It's just, for some reason.
Button head with the landlord?
Yeah, basically.
Gotcha. So we're going to take you up there if you're willing to go with us to speak to a detective, and we'll figure out everything here, okay?
Most definitely.
Okay. You can check your jacket, okay? Nothing.
That's fine.
You can go and stand up. Nothing concealed on your person at all, anything like that? Yeah?
No.
Nothing hidden, nothing
No,
visible?
I'm sorry, I was just pulling my pants up.
Okay.
They're a little tight.
Okay. Any reason we should put you in handcuffs?
No.
Okay. Get that other earbud.
Now, they did touch that.
Did she say anything, give y'all details about how her purse was stolen or where it was stolen?
She said they stole it at a Walmart. She was
Local here or somewhere else?
up there.
Okay, what's she
somewhere
did?
up there, yeah. And she said that they immediately started buying gift cards. They did eventually put the notes on the account, and that's one of the things that she saw whenever it pulled up. So, and she tried to cash a check way more than what was in the account. So, yeah.
The wig, I noticed the wig right away, and then I looked the check up in our system to see if we've had any of those checks go through, and we did, and it didn't match the other signatures.
Okay, so you used to verify signature?
Yeah.
Who called the
a wig and you still go inside the bank? Why?
I know, I can't answer that. I mean, just everything, real shit. I mean, I'm telling you, like, I can't answer that because all kinds of shit was going through my head at the time. And one of the things is, Stephanie, we need money. Your landlord she's not working with you whatsoever, because I asked her after court, can you give me until the end of the month, until I get my income tax? I'll leave, I'll have everything packed up, but you're wanting me to do all this and I have absolutely nothing. Okay? That is one reason why I went ahead and, you know what I mean? Like, I went in.
The officer's repeated request for the Bible, despite the mother's continued aggression, shows professionalism. It's a small concession to de-escalate slightly and fulfill a reasonable request, while still maintaining control of a volatile situation.
I didn't feel comfortable with it, and
But you needed money. You're in a tight spot.
I mean, that's really what it boils down to. My stupid landlord wants to just make everything just worse for no reason.
Stephanie, here's what's going to happen today, okay?
Oh.
You are going to go to jail. You may think you're getting kind of the raw end of the deal because you came to talk to me and you're still going to jail. Because of your cooperation, all right, I could be hitting.
You can get me back out without anybody, you know what I'm saying? I don't mind.
No, ma'am, we can't do that. No.
You can't.
The police department will not, no, we're not going to bail you out or any of that kind of stuff. No.
You can request what's called for a PR bond when you get magistrated by the judge. It's a personal recognizant bond.
Right.
Which you don't have to have any money to get out, but that's between you and the judge. Okay.
Right, but
do you have any other questions for Detective Lofton?
But we don't have I mean, I'm just saying, like, because.
Do you have any other questions for him?
No.
All right, go and stand up for me. You're going to put your hands on your back, okay? Is yours?
It was the stocking cap I had on.
Okay.
I mean, it's like, I'm just.
His mother received 30 days in county jail, along with 6 months of probation, and was ordered to attend parenting and conflict management classes, pay fines, and comply with all future law enforcement interactions.
Okay, I appreciate you.
What happened?
I'm trying to figure that out. Apparently they got into some kind of argument or something like that, and I just need to get his side.
Was there an altercation?
I guess so. I wasn't out there. I'm helping the other guy.
Do you know something about it?
What, low Brian?
That's what he was talking about.
I have no idea.
Junior, Brian.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Marvin, just talk to me.
Can't help
She's
yourself,
not gonna
can
stop.
you?
I'm sorry.
No, don't be.
Mom, please stop.
Handle your business.
You're making it more.
He's making slick comments. They can't do that.
We're going to talk at the car if you
Shut
can't
up.
stop interrupting. Let's go. Brian, come with me, okay? Right now you're detained. Okay.
Stay back. Stay back.
You keep your hand off of him!
Stay back.
You mother... Record this. Get somebody...
We're already recording, ma'am.
You know what? I don't trust you. Don't talk to me no more.
It's literally on right now.
Fuck you. Y'all motherfuckers need retraining. I don't give a fuck about what you are recording. You stop it and start it again like y'all always do.
You're just saying that you need to. I never touched it.
In front of me. Why don't you quit doing that?
I never touched it, so.
You did. I seen you.
No, I didn't.
You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights if I explain to you? Having these rights in mind, will you talk to me now?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
And
you had a question.
I'll just ask that in a second because I'm completely honest and I know exactly what happened and I know. And if
this is not really helping, is it?
I know I go through a lot, dude. But
if just stay right there while we talk to him.
You stand right there.
Ma'am, you're not going to interfere with us.
No, I'm out there. Son.
Ma'am, stop interfering.
Do not talk
Stop.
to him truthfully.
Stop interfering.
Get away from me.
Stop.
Get the back from me.
Stop interfering.
I'm not interfering. Get back from me. You're scaring me and threatening me.
I'm not threatening you anyway.
So technically, you're under arrest for child abuse, okay?
Child abuse?
All right. But since you're being okay.
The officer is clearly communicating the next steps and charges, which is essential for due process. Ensuring the suspect understands why they're being detained, even if they disagree, minimizes legal challenges later on regarding proper notification.
I'm just going to cuff you in the front.
Because
I know your adrenaline's going to go crazy and everything.
If you do not move out of my personal space, I'm going to press charges on you. I need the law out here.
For what? If you call 911, ma'am, I'm going to arrest you for 911 abuse.
You are getting very aggressive.
I'm just telling you not to interfere with them while they're talking.
Just mind your business.
This is my business, ma'am.
Get the back from me.
I don't have to go anywhere.
Intimidate me.
I'm not intimidating.
I know
I'm just telling you.
and you're going to be in trouble.
I'm just telling
Go
you.
ahead.
I'm genuinely trying to be a good kid. I'm trying to follow God and stuff like that.
So right now, it's all it is an exact.
No, ma'am, I'm not. Well,
I hate what you stand for.
That's
You're not
fine.
here for the people who didn't do nothing. You little.
Ma'am.
Can I bring my Bible? Can I please bring my Bible?
If she's willing to get it for you.
Mom, can you please get my Bible? I'm gonna be honest. I'm following God, Mom. Whatever happens, happens. I don't care.
I'm gonna be up there to get you here in just a little bit.
He won't be out tonight.
You don't know how it goes.
He goes the first appearance, ma'am. Yes,
no,
he does.
Does not. He will get.
Hold on, I'll call you
You
back.
don't even know what the talking about.
He goes the first appearance in the morning, ma'am.
Mom.
It's not gonna work.
Mom, please get my Bible.
Come with me, partner.
Dude.
Fuck you fat.
Go get his Bible, please, so he can have it. If that's all you got to say, it's not really doing anything.
Sons of. You know you are crooked as. If you would have known the real situation.
Can you go get his Bible, ma'am, please?
Yes.
He's requesting it, please. It's the nicest thing I heard all day.
No, fuck you. You're doing the wrong thing here. You're doing the wrong thing.
Go get his Bible, please, so he can have.
Once an officer has probable cause and declares an arrest, resistance, even verbal, can escalate the situation and potentially lead to additional charges. The suspect's emotional argument about trust doesn't negate the lawful basis for the arrest.
Just gotta make sure nothing in your pockets or anything. Nothing in your hat?
No.
Alright. I'm gonna hold on to it, but it's gonna go in your property, okay?
Alright. I gotta get my phone or my Bible. One of the two, or at least both. Dang, these kids are hard.
Yeah, I know.
So what charge would that be?
Right now, it's just child abuse.
What? You can't say just child abuse?
Umbrella charge.
What's an umbrella charge? It goes away?
It kind of covers everything, okay? So it depends on what the judge sees and everything else after that.
Dude.
Sandals, please.
I hope the devil gets y'all, snatches y'all out the window.
Cell phone and sandals, please.
I hope this happens to your boy when you have one day. You'll know how I feel right
Cell
now.
phone. I mean, if my kid done wrong, he needs to go to jail.
My kid didn't do wrong.
Well, I wasn't there. I don't know.
Yeah, you wasn't there, so why y'all
So cell phone and sandals, because somebody that's here was.
ass lied to. Kiss his ass.
I don't kiss anyone's, ma'am.
Who's driving me?
Hi.
Can I talk to you about God?
You can talk to me on the way there if you want to.
All right, good.
Did you want to talk to him, ma'am?
There's this thing called something judicial, something another.
I'm not worried about it, Mom. I know God's got me.
This is not a felony, stupid.
Mom,
No, man.
can we make it?
Under 20 is a felony.
If I don't get anything, it's Mom.
She was sentenced to 2 years in state prison due to the seriousness of the aggravated battery charge, followed by 18 months of probation. The court also ordered her to complete anger management counseling, comply with all lawful directives, and pay fines and court costs.
And then forcing me to be here. Let's talk about me needing to go to the nurse's desk to ask for a question, and I'm locked back in here.
So this is regards to, I believe, something that happened earlier, and then now a security officer is making an allegation. Can I talk to you about that?
Not so I get what I want.
Okay, so if I read you your rights, do you want me to read you your rights and get your statement? Yes or no? Because I can. If you don't want me to, you don't have to talk to me.
I'm supposed to be talking to a nurse. I still haven't seen
I think they're coming.
So they want to talk about their rights and what the they got going on.
Can I get you?
But I can't get what the I'm going on. I got one shoe. There's no phone. All my rights are being trampled on. And y'all talking about what the going on with some nurse.
Here's.
Alright, nice long steady breath. Not picking it up? No. Okay, she's not holding on to that. Can you stand up for me? I just have you walk down this way. Alright, turn around, come back, hon. Alright. Okay. You're considered sober. Okay.
So what does that mean?
That means that I can get you discharged.
Bring me my stuff so I can go.
Okay.
You needed what from me? Or are y'all just a bunch of big ass fucking liars?
I need you to have a seat in there, that way they can get your paperwork figured out. And then you'll get your property, and then you'll go with me. Okay?
Why do I need to go with you?
Because you're under arrest.
Why?
For aggravated battery. I told you. We are the seat, please.
No, you didn't.
Oh, you were too busy yelling at me. You probably weren't listening. Have a seat.
Oh, I was listening. You said you wanted to talk to me about an incident that happened and wanted my side of the story.
I still like it.
Back the fuck off me. I'm like,
And a witness's version. And I'd like yours, yes or no. Because I'm not going to, I'll give you an opportunity. I'm not going to argue with you about it. And if you want a sergeant, one would be, I'm sure, glad to come up here. There's no reason for him to come up here, but he can't. So, yes. You want a sergeant?
Yes.
You want to talk to me about what happened in the meantime? No? Okay. One of these females requesting a sergeant. She is getting discharged, but it's...
Notice how Mackenzie immediately attempts to distance herself from culpability by inventing this Blaze character. This is a classic evasion tactic, hoping to shift blame and avoid the serious consequences of a hit and run, especially while impaired.
Just a matter of how long that will be. Okay. So it appears that this will go with you. This is from earlier. Another earlier incident, I guess, that I wasn't aware of. And then you'll have another charge as well.
I don't even know anything about that.
Okay. This is...
All I know is somebody asking me who I want to be treated by. I said I want to go to Proctor, and I'm here.
Okay. Yeah, you're at Methodist. Are you Samantha? I just want to clarify, that's not your concern for the sergeant, right? What's your concern for the sergeant? I want him to come up here.
I want to make sure that I am being treated fair, I am being treated correctly, that it's understood my rights has been trampled on. I have a right to say where I do and do not want to be treated. You know that. You know that as an officer.
So,
as an officer, when they put you in that EMT and they say, where do you want to go? And I say, Proctor, why the f am I here?
So do you know that has nothing to do with my sergeant? That's what I'm trying
to
clarify.
Do you know?
He's not going to be able to answer
Do
that.
you know?
We do not make that decision, neither does AMT.
Do you know that? Do you know that I woke up at 6 o'clock this morning, you're telling me it's 7:30, until I refuse to speak to you or talk to them? Now all of a sudden, oh, there's a problem, and yeah, we can discharge her as long as we can take her to jail.
Again, that has nothing to do with the sergeant.
It has everything to do with your sergeant. Because your sergeant is going to be able to have that final say-so over the bullshit that's going on.
That's the hospital. We don't work for the hospital. You
don't.
And your concern is the hospital. It's not with my sergeant. So if he doesn't need to come...
And it's with you, because I can't trust you either.
Okay, so your issue with the sergeant coming is because you can't trust me?
Exactly.
Okay, fair enough. I don't want him to waste his time, but all your gripes and complaints so far have nothing to do with us. I don't want to. These are in the shoes.
Push paperwork in
Paperwork in there, and grab your other shoe and your other stuff if you want it to go with you. Okay? And there's your notice.
And we will go to the parking lot and we can talk.
Okay.
Civilly.
Well, that's what we've been trying the whole time, but you've been yelling at everybody.
Why do you think I'm yelling at everybody?
I don't really know for sure. Will you grab your stuff so we can go? Okay, I'll take this. Turn around for me, please. You're under arrest, so you're going to be put in handcuffs. Okay?
Under arrest for what?
I told you, aggravated battery.
Once again,
You'll have
it's because somebody...
Mackenzie's admission of seeing the emergency lights is crucial. This elevates the incident from a simple accident to a knowing hit and run, indicating an awareness of the officer's presence and a deliberate decision to flee, which carries much heavier penalties.
said I did something doesn't mean I actually did it.
That's why I wanted to.
And I said, will we be able to go out and have a civil talk? You said yes. And once again, you're showing you can't be trusted. That's why I don't trust you. That's why I'm asking for a sergeant.
Okay. You can come up here.
But that's your version of qualified.
And what did I say? I don't trust you. And what did you show me? Can't be trusted. And I said, we would have got that. I asked him, can we sit out here and be able to have that?
Ma'am, come on. Goodness gracious. You said you wanted to talk to me. Let's talk. Have a seat and we'll talk. I have paperwork.
I can't trust you.
Sit. Get all the way in.
I can't trust you.
I'm going to put you in there in a minute.
I can't trust you.
You can trust your ability to move your feet
You
around.
can simply move and sit.
Your things will be right next to you. You can take a look at them. Here's your stuff. You can see it.
She was also ordered to pay restitution for medical expenses and vehicle damage, complete a substance abuse treatment program, have her license revoked for 3 years, and pay substantial fines and court costs.
Stopped you. Is the car registered to you? Yes, sir. All right. No issues with the license registration as far as you're aware? Thank you so much. The car is registered to you?
Yeah, I just got his car less than a month.
Yeah, I saw the temp tag. All right, so what I'll do is I'll check it out, and I'm sorry I had background with the traffic. Did you say the Tampa address is good?
I'm in Tampa, but it's a different address.
Okay, I'm just gonna run the tag, see if it comes back. If there's any issues, I'll let you know. I just want to make sure everything's valid. All right, I'll get back with you. All right. I'll take a look at the dash cam, see if I can get any sort of information to help you guys out. I'm surviving. My hand's broken.
Jesus Christ.
It's gotta be. Dude, he almost killed me. If he was like 6 inches closer, I'd be dead right now. Well, related to FHP, because I was too shocked. I don't, and I couldn't see if he made a north or southbound.
You want to stand up on the side so I can check it for you?
Yeah, if you don't mind. Hopefully you can review it. Yeah. Dude, if he was 6 inches closer to me, I'd be dead right now.
Yeah.
Wait till you see that body camera footage. I am okay. I just wanted to let you know that I'm in the hospital. Some guy almost killed me on the interstate, so I'm a little shook up. I think he broke my hand. Yeah, I got a but I'm okay. So I just want to let you know I'm okay. All right.
Let me get a picture of your hand real quick just before.
Yeah, man.
Here, let me get an overall real quick.
Possibly a white Camry, 2010-ish model.
Sorry, buddy. I was just shooting.
No, you're good, man.
I'm just.
His name is Blaze.
Blaze is his name?
I don't know his last name. I just work with him.
You work with him?
Yeah.
Do you know where he lives? Where do you work?
St. Pete Yacht Club.
St. Pete Health Clinic?
Yacht Club.
Oh, St. Pete Yacht Club. What do you do there?
Barton.
Martin? All right, and you're saying that Blaze is the one that was driving your vehicle. Were you with him? Where were you at?
I was on the passenger. I had a couple drinks, but I wasn't gonna drive. I wasn't driving because I had a couple more. Like I had tequila shots and.
Is that typical for you? Were you working or?
No.
That question about tampons soaked in alcohol might seem out of left field, but it's a known method some individuals use to try and bypass oral intoxication detection. It shows the officer is thinking outside the box, anticipating hidden methods of impairment.
I was off.
You were off. Okay.
Yeah, we all went to Locals and hung out for a little bit.
And where'd you go to hang out?
Locals.
Locals? Do you know anything about him?
No, don't hang out with him much. We all just went over there and we came back to my house to smoke, and he was just gonna drive me home. And
Is he still here?
no, he went home last night.
What time?
I'm like 2 or 3. He left in an Uber.
Kind of going back to when the crash happened, you said that where were you at in the vehicle?
Passenger.
Front or rear?
Front.
Okay.
And I wasn't really paying attention. He said, "Oh shit, I just hit the door." And we talked about it, and he said he had been drinking, so he was just told me to call this morning.
So you guys talked about it. Where did you talk about it at?
In the car.
Like
After.
did you guys stop anywhere, or did he continue driving?
Continue driving.
I mean, okay.
Rolling.
No, please don't throw up, okay? You're gonna give me a warning before you throw up, because I don't do throw up. Okay, so just take a deep breath, okay? And let's start all over, okay?
I'm so sorry for lying.
Okay, so let's start all over.
Okay.
Okay, I'm Officer Cox. You're Mackenzie. What happened last night, Mackenzie?
I had a few drinks.
Where were you actually at?
Locals.
Okay, so you were at
Yes,
Locals.
we were all there as a group.
Okay.
I left. He was coming to my house. He was following me.
What was he driving?
A blue Audi.
He was driving a blue Audi? And this is this Blaze person, correct?
Yes.
Do you actually know him?
Yes.
Okay. See, I'm just going to give you a friendly advice. The truth is always the best way to go. I'm sure your mom and probably instilled that, or your parents, or whoever raised you, is the truth is always the best way to go.
Yeah.
Because
I always got more trouble for lying.
Exactly. You always get in trouble for lying. Okay. So do you...
But I did hit the door, and I'm so sorry that I didn't stop.
Take a deep breath for me. Okay?
I'm so scared.
Just take a deep breath. I'll tell you now. Did you happen to see that it was red and blue lights and all that stuff? And that it was a cop that was stopped on the side?
Misty's denial of non-compliance during the use of force interview is a classic defense strategy, even if it contradicts the video. This part of the interview is crucial for the department to document her perspective and justify the force used.
Out of the road conducting a traffic stop? Yes, you did. Can you say yes for me? Okay. He is okay. Okay. It could have been a lot worse. Okay. You know, he did sustain injuries because you almost ran him over. So tell me what's going on inside the car when you are, you know, driving.
I don't know. I just remember his door was open, and I just remember going past, like, scraping the door. That's all I remember.
Okay.
And then I didn't know if it was. I was so scared. I didn't know if it was. What?
Take a deep breath for me, okay?
So I just came home, and he did tell me to call in the morning. He's like, "You're gonna have to call in the morning." I was like, "I know."
With you. I appreciate your cooperation. You have been very cooperative and very patient with us also. If you ever find yourself in a situation where you get into a crash, just stop. You know, even I know that you said you'd had, you know, a few drinks. It is better, and you know, it's better for you to stop and make sure people are okay than to just continue to go. And I know that you said you were going to, you know, call today, but, you know, sometimes these things, you know,
She was also ordered to pay restitution for medical expenses and vehicle damage, complete a substance abuse treatment program, have her license revoked for 3 years, and pay substantial fines and court costs.
Are you the only one in the vehicle?
Sure am.
Okay. Hey, it's Officer Black, the Arlington Police Department. Just so you know, I'm audio and video recording, okay?
Great.
Okay, what's the first name again?
Misty.
Misty. Okay, Misty, what's going on today?
Nothing. What's going on with you today?
Okay, Misty. You want to go ahead and step out of the vehicle?
Sure.
Okay.
You want to force me to?
You have any weapons in the vehicle I need to be worried about?
I don't know. There's screwdrivers and there's blades, but all the blades are for my work. Is there anything else that you need to know?
Where are these blades accessible?
I'd like to call my attorney.
You're not going to call your attorney. Okay. Go ahead and step out of the vehicle.
No. Don't.
Misty,
please don't.
Stop.
Please don't hurt me.
16, David. Were you
Please
don't.
Wow, you're really aggressive. All I was doing exactly what you were doing. Did you see the power pole? Excuse me?
Her front of the vehicle, obviously. Yeah.
Yeah, because you know what?
I've been arrested here twice for DUI. So, yeah.
For what? Wait. You've arrested me what for DUI?
Twice.
When was that?
I have both case numbers, I'm sure.
Oh, okay. Go for it, because I am unaware of that.
Okay. We're going to stand you up, Misty. I'm going to try to read you your rights one more time. If
That
you just
never
listen
happens.
up, okay? Okay.
Yeah, no, I checked all the power poles coming in. I didn't see any damage or any car parts or anything, so I don't know exactly.
Right, exactly.
All right, ready, Misty? 1, 2, 3, up. Perfect. Okay, I'm going to walk to the side of my vehicle. Okay.
I would like him to be able to go to my vehicle.
Okay, Misty, go ahead, face my vehicle.
Let's listen to this right now, and
Okay.
we'll address the rest in a second.
Okay, let me read this to you one more time. I just got to make sure you hear it, okay?
I know. You have the right
Can I
to
talk?
remain silent.
Misty, can I talk, please?
Anything you say can and will be used
Misty?
against you in the court of law. You have a right to an attorney. If you are
You have the right to remain silent.
unable
Anything you say can be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to have to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while being questioned. If you cannot
I
afford to
wrecked
hire
my
a lawyer,
car on
one will be appointed to represent before
property.
questioning if you wish.
Not
you can
out
decide
here.
at any time to exercise these rights and
Hello?
answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand those rights I read to you today, Misty?
And I've never heard him drive. So she's a liar.
Okay.
Yep.
Are you wearing a bra?
Actually, no.
Do you have anything inside your body that I need to be worried about?
A tampon.
Okay.
Are you worried about a tampon?
That question about tampons soaked in alcohol might seem out of left field, but it's a known method some individuals use to try and bypass oral intoxication detection. It shows the officer is thinking outside the box, anticipating hidden methods of impairment.
Is the tampon soaked with anything besides blood?
Are you concerned about a tampon?
People often, they'll soak them in alcohol, they'll soak them in whatever they want. You can go ahead and take a seat.
I can soak them in what? I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
I'll tell you when to get into the vehicle.
Please ask her to quit grabbing me harshly.
Because a lot of the other poles are too far off the road and like the trees down below. Like, I didn't see any with any damage coming in.
Gotcha. Okay. Yeah, if you want to drive by and just see if there's any hole, that'd be great.
But that's definitely fresh damage. There's no rust on there. It's brand new. So.
Thank you so much for your help.
No problemo.
Oh yeah,
like
I
I
had
said,
those.
I was in the area anyways. So.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Sorry it was such a cluster. I obviously people are trying to get information out, so I couldn't bing up the radio. So when they're like, "What's your location?" I was like, "I'm working on it." So
Well, you said your location when you were out with it. So.
Yeah, that's fair.
So I was like, I know where she's at. So I was headed this way anyway. So I was like, it's southbound. So she's just north of 172nd. So
yeah, perfect. There's a bunch of pills all over the car. So. Yeah, she's.
All right.
Thank you so
Good
much.
deal.
Yeah. Oh no, you're awesome. I appreciate you. Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you.
You too.
She talking weird or anything like that?
Oh, she's extremely impaired
Yeah.
by something. Yeah. Is that what you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's just good.
She's unable to form sentences. She's unable to look at me. She's unable to cooperate. She's slurring her words.
Okay.
Yeah.
What can I do? You want me to get photos or something?
Sure, actually, yeah,
Sure.
that'd be great. And then, I guess just figure out the car piece. I'm gonna take her to Cascade for a clear to book as well as maybe blood, depending on how long it'll take. And then we'll go from there.
All right.
But she said she hit an ecology block on her property. I don't know what that means, but
I mean,
it looks.
you want to impound this thing, or what do you want to
That's
do?
what I was wondering. For evidence, you're saying?
I mean, we can see if she's gonna give us consent to go in the car. See if there's anything.
She seems to like men more.
She seems to what?
Like men more. If you wanted to ask her, but I'll take a look around.
Sure. Has she been Mirandized?
Yes, twice. Will refuse to listen, so it's up to you.
She didn't say yes or no?
No, she just talked over me the entire time.
Gotcha. Okay.
I do not give her permission to check my vehicle. Yeah. So I have an attorney. Extreme force.
Okay. What did you do when police attempted to detain or arrest you? So when you were getting put in handcuffs, what did you do?
I put my hands behind my back.
Okay. What do you believe you did to contribute having a force response used on you, if any?
Tried to explain what was going on.
Okay. How long do you think you were being actively non-compliant or physically resistant?
I wasn't being non-compliant.
Misty's denial of non-compliance during the use of force interview is a classic defense strategy, even if it contradicts the video. This part of the interview is crucial for the department to document her perspective and justify the force used.
Okay, do you have any additional comments or anything like that?
I would like to speak with my attorney.
Got it.
That I already have on.
Okay. All right, that's it.
Okay, she doesn't have any problems. I'll just take her home.
The address of what?
Of where she lives. Where do you live, Misty?
I live at. Yeah, but I'm really, 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 really hurting right now.
What's hurting?
I don't know what I have right now. I've been dealing with physical ailment. I've been dealing with a lot of different things. And and I'm not sure.
Okay. Well, we're gonna take you to the hospital. Okay. Do you need are these chronic ailments you've been dealing with for a long time?
Yes, and I have a doctor. I don't need a hospital. I need to go home.
Okay, you don't need a hospital. You just need to go home.
Yes.
Okay. Well, we gotta take you to the hospital anyways, and then we'll go from there.
All right.
Okay.
I'm good.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Will I get my phone back, please? So that
Yep, I have your phone.
does know where I'm going to be?
Yeah.
She was also ordered to complete a substance abuse treatment program, pay restitution for property damage, cover court fines and fees, and have her driver's license revoked for 2 years.
It's Mallerie, right? Are you kicking?
This is so funny. It is so It's still right here.
Okay. Is it Mallerie?
Yeah, it's Mallerie Griffin.
Mallerie, what's your date of birth? Okay.
You want my social security number?
No, thank you.
Okay.
Are you feeling okay?
Yeah, it's hot outside.
Okay, I'm just asking if you needed any medical attention at all.
Why would I need medical attention when I needed directions? I'm lost.
Okay.
My navigation system's hacked.
Okay.
And I got a little lost coming home from a friend's house, and you arrested me for absolutely no reason and touched my body for absolutely no reason, and that's illegal. Okay. And you just arrested me for no reason when you should have asked me in the car, are you lost?
Okay.
Is your blood sugar low? You could be in so much trouble if I had money because you arrested me and put me in a hot vehicle. A hot vehicle. If I had money, I would sue the out of you for arresting me for no reason. Didn't ask if I was diabetic or if I was lost. Because you did not ask for my license and you did not listen to yourself. You are making me sit in a hot police vehicle when I am dehydrated and thirsty, and it's summer, and there's no air in this car.
That's why the window's down.
Oh, you're just bringing summer air into the vehicle. You should think and lose some weight. You're a police officer. You should look like me. Skinny. You're too fat to be a police. See what happens. She's not gonna lose weight, is she? She's gonna get fatter. Stupid. You had to be a police officer. She can't.
The sudden switch from denying medical conditions to admitting Adderall is telling. It's a common attempt to preemptively explain impaired behavior, but officers document this for medical and legal context.
One officer uncuffs the 35-year-old to start field sobriety tests, but Mallerie is not exactly up for it just yet.
You suffer from any medical conditions?
There's absolutely nothing wrong with me.
Okay.
I take medication. I'm on.
Okay. That's the only medication that you're on?
What else would I be on?
I'm not sure.
Because I'm skinny, I take Adderall.
That is not what I said.
Does that have a bad reputation in Illinois?
Have you had
in high
any
school?
head injuries in the last couple months?
Why would I have a head injury?
I don't know people's medical history.
You should have asked that before you brought me to the jail. You should have asked me why was I driving so fast. You should have said, are you diabetic? Are you from Wisconsin?
We can go over those questions right now before we do the
There's no reason you
test.
should have taken it this far. No reason. No.
Okay.
Mallerie insists on being questioned before testing, and the officers oblige.
Are you on a special doctor-prescribed diet?
No, I eat what I want and digest it. That's why I'm skinny.
Are you allergic to
Unlike
any
that
medication,
police officer
food,
that
or other
can't chase
substances?
after me.
Are you allergic to any medication, food, or other substances?
No, don't have any dietary restrictions. Eat what I want.
Have you ever
Watch
had
what I eat.
psychiatric treatment?
Not a real doctor. You shouldn't be a cop. You don't know anything about psychology or diabetes.
Have you
Maybe I just
physically or had a head injury?
No, I haven't.
Do you have any cuts or bruises?
Yeah, I have a bruise. Where's that? The right side of my body or the left side of my body?
Okay,
Do you want me to get undressed? Do you want to see it? Do you want me to get undressed?
Hold on.
Do it with me!
Let me start the clock. All right. All right, go. 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000. You're not doing what I'm doing. 4, 1,000.
So lift it up
5,
higher.
1,000. I said approximately
Lift it up higher.
6 inches. 5, 1,000.
It's not necessary to do that long. You should have air in here.
8, 1,000. 9, 1,000. 10, 1,000. 11, 1,000. 12, 1,000.
Here you see her trying to shift blame and control the situation during the FSTs. This resistance and non-compliance, combined with her earlier statements, highlights her unwillingness to cooperate with lawful commands.
13, 1,000. 14, 1,000. 15. Well, how come you're not doing it with me? You said you wanted to do it with me. I'm doing it. All right.
Throw me in a cell.
This is a preliminary breath test. It is not admissible in court. It's just to see where you're at, okay? Have you taken one of these before?
Have you?
Yeah.
Do you take it before every shift?
No.
You should.
For what reason?
Cops are scumbag alcoholics.
Usually people
and high tattoos, but you can tell a bad
before.
person from the way they.
Big deep breath, it goes nice and steady, just like that, okay? Here we go, and I can do a big deep breath in and blow out. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Good, good stop, thank you.
And then I'm just going to need your ponytail.
She was also ordered to complete a substance abuse treatment program, have her driver's license suspended for 18 months, install an ignition interlock device upon reinstatement, and pay fines and court cost.
Just got my license.
Saying you're suspended.
Okay, you're gonna have to call your boss.
Nope, we're not doing this again. Okay.
You have to call your boss. I got my license.
I don't have to do anything for you, okay? This is gonna go how I say it's gonna go, okay? You're suspended, you're not driving, and it's a 12-point suspension, so I can place you under arrest and book you in the jail right now.
I just took a driver's test. I took a driver's test. You're a liar. Call your boss. You have to call your boss.
Nope, I'm not going to.
You have to call your boss.
But I'm just not going to.
You're calling your boss. You have to call your boss.
No, I'm not going to. Is that your driver's license right there?
You can't. This was my permit before I got that
That's your
driver's
permit?
license.
Okay. Nope, it's saying you're suspended.
You're gonna have to call your boss.
No.
Well,
Nope.
what are you gonna do? You have to call your boss.
Have you had anything to smoke today?
No.
It smells like burnt marijuana in the car, and your eyes are bloodshot.
Are you kidding me?
Have you had anything to smoke today?
Are you kidding me?
I'm asking you a question.
I have one bloodshot red eye I've had for weeks.
You have two.
Are you for real right now?
Have you had anything to smoke today?
No.
Anything to smoke recently, within the past few days?
Please call your Please call your boss.
No, I'm not going to.
You have to call your boss. I don't know why you're picking on me right now.
Because you still have the tinted windows. I can pull you over for that.
I don't know what your deal is with me. I don't.
And when I ran your license plate when you were still in Lawrence Township, it said you're suspended.
It's not true. That's not true.
It is true.
It's not true.
The computer don't lie.
It's not true.
Okay, hold on for me. Here's this back
You're
for
gonna
you.
have to call your boss.
No. For me.
I'm not stepping out.
Ma'am, step out for me.
I'm not stepping out.
Step out.
I'm not stepping out.
Come on, get out.
I'm not stepping
Come on,
out.
we're not doing this.
What are you doing?
Get out.
I'm not stepping out.
You're under arrest. Get out.
What are you doing to me?
AO3,
oh
step
my
out. She's
God.
calling 911.
Listen, I need
Get out of the
help.
car.
I need help. I need help.
Where are you at?
I need help. Please, there's literally an officer.
Come on.
Please.
Get out.
Oh my God, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Give me the phone. Give me the phone. You're under arrest. Stop. Stop.
Someone help!
Put your hands behind your back. Stop it. Stop it.
Someone help me! I just feel all over.
Stop it.
Someone help me!
AO3, she's resisting. Go and step it up.
Please help me.
Put your hands behind your back.
Somebody help me.
Stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
Please help.
Stop it. Relax.
Please help me.
Stop it. Lean up against my car right now.
Please help.
I'm holding you like this until somebody can come and handcuff you. No, you are under arrest.
For what? I didn't even
Stop. Stop it. Spread your feet right now.
I can't believe you can do
Stop it.
I can't believe you can do Can you stop holding me so hard?
No, you've already resisted. No, you've already pulled away from me. I'm waiting.
Once an officer declares you're under arrest, any physical resistance, even pulling away, becomes a separate and serious charge. It's often worse than the initial offense, like driving on a suspended license.
Till my partner gets here, I'm going to put you in handcuffs. You're under arrest. You are under arrest. Spread your feet. Spread your feet.
I am suing you, dude. I am suing you.
She keeps trying to get away. I'm just go ahead and cuff her. I got her hands.
That's not true.
Face the vehicle. She's already
We've dealt with
resisted.
you before, okay? You need to relax.
I already checked C. Just she's still suspended. She has.
I'm not suspended.
You are suspended. He ran you over the thing.
She called 911 twice on me.
Okay.
Oh my God. I just got my license. Look at the date on it.
I looked. You're still.
I burnt marijuana in my car, so that would lead me to believe that you had just recently smoked marijuana.
I promise you, I'm not on anything. You can drug test me. You can do whatever.
Okay.
Are you taking me to jail?
You're still going to be under arrest regardless for all the other offenses. But do you want to do any field sobriety in the meantime?
What's the point?
Do you want to do them? I have to offer them to you.
What is the point? If you're taking me to jail, what is the point? What is the point? I'm not on anything. Give me a breathalyzer.
I don't think it's alcohol.
Okay, I'm not on anything.
Okay. So do you want to do any field sobriety tests?
Yeah, what do you want me to do? Yes.
I can't. You do?
Yes, whatever you need me to do.
Okay.
It's going to be Laura Page.
Come on out for
First name Lincoln Adam Union, Robert Adam. Last name Paul Adam.
It didn't have to go like all this. I'm going to take the pen up, follow it up. One more time. Okay, so bring your fingers like this. I don't want you to sing the alphabet, okay? What I want you to do is I want you to start on the letter D and end on Y, okay? Don't sing it, just start on D and end on Y.
D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, W, X, Q, Y.
Okay, you're all good. Just go ahead and face that way for me now, okay? Go ahead and put your hands back behind your back. Go ahead and put your palms together, it'll be more comfortable. I don't know if you think I just make this all up, but...
I think you're a very evil cop, is what I think.
Okay.
I think you're extremely evil.
Well, I'm not going to entertain any of this.
And they take you to the jail and then you cross over that line, they have everything to do with that. I have nothing to do with that. I told you last night, I dropped off a felony and he was out in 4 hours. So if it's not a crime of violence, they're not going to hold you, okay?
Right. How is my license suspended? That's what I need to know. I just got my license.
12-point suspension, status. No, listen, let me show you, because you'll never be able to see this without me here.
They're showing me all of my past, all of the past.
No, this is current.
That's already on my...
This is current, ma'am. Do you think that I'm making this up and this is fabricated? That literally says you're suspended, says you're suspended, says you're suspended, says you're suspended, says you're suspended.
It's not that you think you're making it up by no means, ma'am. What we're saying is it was a very hectic process to get her license back. They had to go.
This is where the legal system gets complicated. Her license was reinstated, but new offenses occurred after that date, causing fresh suspensions. It highlights how quickly your driving privileges can be revoked again.
They had to go back and forth to Madison Court and all down to Columbus. So I don't know how they would process that because the lady clearly said that she could not process it if she still was under suspension.
Right, so I see on her license, it says that her license was issued to her on May 30th of 2024. Three of these suspensions started June 5th.
What day was it?
June 5th. So that's after you got your license reinstated, you got 3 more suspensions.
No.
That's what I'm telling you is on paper.
They're making it up because I smell like weed.
No, shit. I'm not the arresting officer. He put her through field sobriety test. Whatever he saw, he believes that she's impaired. She had open
red eye.
She had alcohol in the car. She had open containers in the car. She had weed pens everywhere. She had weed over in the car. She had pipes all over the car.
What?
She smelled like weed.
Pipes in the car?
Yeah, there's glass pipes in the car.
No, there isn't.
There was 2 in the glove
No,
box.
there isn't.
There's 2 in the glove box. They're still in there.
Oh my god.
That's stupid as That's on you. That's you up big time.
Okay, you're gonna get off the phone. I never let people talk on the phone, and I've let her talk on the phone with you for longer than I should. She's being disrespectful, and I'm done with it. So I'm gonna let you go. You are, and you talked yourself into jail. Just so you know, this is 100% your fault. If you get out tonight, you might not.